Alright, got my tow mirrors. Yep. Gonna have some tow mirrors. So, placing these stock mirrors, hopefully make it look a little better, a little newer, and help out with hauling trailers. What I've done so far here, took the door panel off on the inside. Gonna have to take the mirror out now and just replace it. So yeah, pretty simple. There you have it. Just needed some motivation. But the mirror's off. Time to get a new one on. Alright, I've been fiddling with this thing for a good while now. I don't even think I'm going to worry about wiring the lights, and it's just so much work. I don't know about that. That's what I got to do. So the wiring, I plugged it, but it plugs in there. And then I'd have to run it in here, through there. Probably take all this off. Run it up through there. Somehow. Find it, pop through here, run it over here, and just like I did with my LED lights on my grill, tie it in with my blinker light, which I don't even know what colors match what. I don't know. That'd be a really long, hard process that I don't know that I just care that much about it right now. Maybe later, but for now, I think I just want to get both the mirrors mounted, and this one is mounted, looks good. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do that for this video, for now at least, because that's just going to be a pain I don't think I care that much about. So let's put this back together. Just give y'all a quick comparison. So that's the new mirror. That's the old mirror. So you can see the difference there. Looks good. Now to get the other side. So just to show y'all kind of what to do to take the door off. You gotta take the door handle off. It's got a little bolt. You just take off. Screw there. Screw there. 2 screws at the bottom. At least for the 03 Ram 1500 model. Then you so it's pretty much disconnected, but got little wires right there that you just gotta snap off, clip off, unclip, and then you're good. So I'll do that. Now you will find the 3 screws holding the mirror in. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory what you do now. Just take this mirror out, put the other mirror in, and put everything back together, just like we did with the other one. Pretty simple. So here's the predicament I'm in now. The screws are too long, and that one's stripped, but I can't tighten them enough to where the mirror fits tightly. It keeps wobbling in there as tight as they'll get. So my plan, gonna recycle these washers on these bolts. These came off of my old stock headers before I got my replacement headers. My stock manifolds. So I'll take the washers off, try to put them in there so that make the screw a little shorter. Hopefully getting it tight enough. That's why you don't throw anything away. Always recycle. So let's hopefully see that works. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Well, that worked. And even with these huge giant bolts and washers on there, the bolts still barely tighten. The screws are so long. So wow. Well, that is some redneck ingenuity. But the mirror is on there nice and tight now. So, job done. Time to put the door panel back on. I've run into one final, well, I hope final problem. Since this screw will not screw any further into the mirror because it's stripped, very aggravating. It's too long, so when I try to close the door, it doesn't want to close. It wants to hit that. So I'm going to have to cut the screw. Another pain. Not to mention I have to see this ugly, rusty old bolt washer every time I open my door. That's kind of annoying. Don't know really what to do about it though. Pain, I tell ya. A pain, a pain, a pain. But, well, gotta find a way to cut that screw now. See if we have a grinder here. Alright, got the tow mirrors in. They were a pain in the butt. But they're installed. They look pretty good. I like them. Unfortunately, the lights don't work because they're not wired in. But we'll get to that at a later date. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like them. It's a big pain in the butt to get them installed. Almost as hard as installing the headers. But it's all said and done. I like it. This is gas truck. Now it's a diesel truck. Boom, just like that. Yep. Oh, it looks kind of like a diesel. I'll probably drive them with them folded in just because I don't want to look like I'm driving a diesel when I'm not. It's a gas truck. Yep, that's it for installing the tow mirrors. Hopefully soon I'll get the lights, but till then, KB Studios, over and out.